You want to know why most people never get rich? Because they skip money management, ignore budgeting tips, and think personal finance is for nerds. They chase the bag but can't keep the bag. And passive income? Forget it. They don't even know what it means. Let's be clear. If you don't know how to manage your money, you'll stay broke. And I don't care how much you make. Broke is a mindset backed by bad habits. Ask Mike Tyson. The man made over $400 million and still lost it all. Because money without discipline is just delayed disaster. Money management isn't sexy. It's not flashy. But it's the only thing standing between success and I used to have it. Mike Tyson was out here buying gold bathtubs, tigers, and mansions he couldn't even find on a map. No budget, no plan, no structure, just chaos. That's why budgeting tips matter. Not just to survive, but to build. You think budgeting is for broke people? No. Budgeting is how you stop being broke. You can't build wealth if you can't even tell your money where to go. People love to ask, how do I get rich? Here's the answer. Money management, personal finance, budgeting, and one simple rule: stop spending more than you make. The formula isn't hidden. It's just ignored. Because discipline isn't fun, but it's powerful. Want to know what rich people do differently? They treat budgeting like a weapon, not a punishment. They don't avoid the numbers, they control them. They know that personal finance is freedom. Passive income sounds amazing, right? Money that works for you while you sleep. But here's the truth. You don't get passive income without active discipline first. You want money to flow? Learn how to budget it first. Side hustle ideas are everywhere now. Sell this, flip that, start this. But if you don't have money management in place, even the best side hustle becomes a money-wasting hobby. Let me break it down. Money management is the foundation. Budgeting tips are the blueprint. Personal finance is the strategy. Passive income is the reward. Side hustles are the fuel. You can't skip steps. You want to get rich without the foundation? You're just building a mansion on sand. Mike Tyson's story is proof. You can have millions and still be broke inside. Now let's talk structure. Personal finance isn't just about saving. It's about intention. Every dollar has a job, every expense has a reason, and every goal has a number behind it. Tiffany Aliche, the budgetnista, built her entire empire on budgeting. She didn't wait for a lottery ticket. She used simple budgeting tips to rebuild her life from nothing. Now she teaches millions how to do the same. Budgeting tips aren't about restriction. They're about direction. Where is your money going? And more importantly, is it doing anything useful when it gets there? Most people don't have an income problem. They have a leak problem. Too many subscriptions, impulse spending, fast food, late fees. Money slips away because no one's managing it. That's why money management is your first step to peace. Let's talk passive income again. Jay Shetty built multiple income streams by turning his message into assets. He wasn't just motivational, he was structured. Books, courses, content, partnerships. Passive income built from discipline. Now let's say you have a side hustle. You're selling something, creating something, offering services. But do you even know how much you're spending versus making? That's called personal finance, and it's non-negotiable. Side hustle ideas are great, but they need a plan. Track every expense. Budget every reinvestment. Stop spending all your earnings like it's a bonus check. That side hustle could be your escape, if you treat it like a business. Here's a tip. Don't chase more money until you've mastered managing what you already have. That's the secret sauce right there. People want 6 figures but can't handle 600. Money multiplies under management, not chaos. How do you get rich? You get rich when your money starts working harder than you. And that starts with budgeting tips, not balling out. It starts with financial clarity, not confusion. You ever wonder why rich people stay rich? They don't just make money, they keep it. They invest it. They multiply it. They don't flex it away to impress people who don't matter. Mike Tyson said he trusted the wrong people. That's another personal finance lesson. Don't hand your wallet to people who don't care about your future. Get educated. Get involved. Because nobody's gonna protect your bag but you. We've been lied to. They told us budgeting is boring. That passive income is for gurus. That personal finance is optional. They lied. You don't need a degree in finance to master your money. You need self-control. You need a plan. You need to stop winging it and start tracking it. So start here, budgeting tips. Make a list. Write it down. Cut what's useless. Track what matters. Set limits, not because you're broke but because you're building something bigger. Let your side hustle feed your dreams, not your ego. Don't spend side hustle income on shoes. Invest it. Stack it. Use it to build real freedom. Passive income starts when discipline begins. You want passive income? Build a system. Automate your savings. Invest in skills. Create content. Sell solutions. That's how money starts working for you. You want financial peace? Learn money management. You want a future? Respect budgeting tips. You want options? Master personal finance. You want to sleep while you earn? Build passive income. Here's your checklist. Money management? Learn it. Budgeting tips? Apply them. Personal finance? Own it. Passive income? Build it. Side hustle ideas? Test them. The path is simple, not easy. It requires showing up when nobody claps. It means skipping flexes for freedom. It means doing what broke people refuse to do. Your future self is begging you to wake up. To stop living paycheck to paycheck. To stop buying approval and start buying time. To start living below your means so you can rise above your limits. Because real wealth? It's not loud. It's not showy. It's controlled. And it's built quietly, through budgeting, personal finance, and smart moves. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich for real. Through structure, strategy, and long-term thinking. Through discipline that pays off. You don't need a miracle. You need a mindset shift. You don't need a sugar daddy. You need a budget. You don't need more hustle. You need smarter habits. And you don't need luck. You need a damn plan. So what's it gonna be? Keep wishing? Or start working? Keep flexing? Or start building? The choice isn't out there. It's right in your next decision. This is Wealthify Excel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more success tips, and I'll see you on the next one.